All right, everybody, we're back. Good God, we're wore out. We've been working a lot. Yesterday, we were so busy, we didn't even get to put one out video. So we're coming at you with the final. What I want to do real quick, Teresa and Glenn are already here. So we're not bringing them in yet. What I'm going to do is flip you around, and I'm going to catch you up to speed so you all can see everything. And there's a couple things I'm going to discuss and go over as we're walking through. That way you all get the gist of it. Then we're going to bring them in. That way I can stay focused on just her reaction. So check it out. So here's the floor in the kitchen. I'm going to tell you already. Look, quarter round. Quarter round. We stopped. We were trying to cut a couple of these things off. We're going to be coming in tomorrow, actually wrapping this up in full, but it doesn't take away with what's going on. Check that counter. We still got our plugs undone. Don't panic. Little knick-knack stuff we were saving for tomorrow so we can go ahead and get this video out. Teresa is dying to come in here. So, get up on it here. There's the counter. Backsplash, the works. We trimmed all that out. It's already grouted, everything. So this complete ensemble is done. And then moving over here, we got the other matching top. We got the backsplash over here. So check it. Those wicked graphics. All right, plus we painted in here. Now keep in mind, this is what took us so long. All this stuff in the kitchen was not on our plate to do at all. So it was extra, hence why it took us extra. So that's why we're lacking just a few little oddball things here and there because we spent so much time in that kitchen so that she wouldn't know. Here's the rest of the floor. Okay, we still got an outlet there to deal with. No big deal. The switch plates. Quarter round stopped right here. We still got more quarter round to go. No big deal. There's the entryway. Moving on in. We got a threshold. We got to finish the rest of the closet right here. But predominantly, all our stuff is done. Couple thresholds. Check it. Here we go. There is her beautiful vanity top. Custom made. It don't get any better than that pretty guy. The cabinet is just as high-end as they come. Soft close drawers, the whole nine, the vessel, the faucet. Now, real quick, we're missing a vent. We're missing the face plates. And last minute per Glenn, they are going with a huge LED mirror. So we just left that in play for now. It got ordered 2 days ago. It's still not in. We will catch that back up for you. Before I get into the shower, same thing with up here. Our box is still up here, so they have a vent for now. But we are actually waiting on a Bluetooth speaker that we ordered. It is coming. Now, let me get in here and kind of turn with you. Here we go. So here's the pretty shower. Okay, our niches are done. They are not wrapped yet with trim because we finished those niches late in the day. We need to get grout where the tile hits. But anybody that's seen our showers knows we're going to be trimming that out to perfection, just like the backsplash in the kitchen. So the kick out wall, we went ahead and tiled that as well. Moving on in further, we did manage to get all the baseboard and everything down. We did get the toilet hooked up. That was like #1 priority. So here's the kick wall trimmed out to perfection. We did paint the ceiling for Glenn. We do not have the diverter and the shower head hooked up yet. Again, last minute, no big deal. You all can get the gist of everything. We are installing shower doors. I told you we were going to be doing the shower doors and actually show you how to install them. So we are going to be installing those. It's going to be tomorrow. All these little loose ends will have sewed up tomorrow, and we will re-air the video. Right now, it is time. It is time to go get Glenn and Teresa and bring them in and let them see what's going on. What you think, bro?
Oh, yeah.
You ready?
Oh, yeah.
Should we get them?
Maybe. Make them wait a little longer.
You know, Glenn got us cheeseburgers.
Oh, cool.
He got us cheeseburgers, so we're going to eat first. Then we'll bring them in. How's that sound? We got man got to eat. We've been working all day.
Yeah.
Okay, we got to eat. So we're gonna eat. Be right back. Teresa and Glenn. Come on, buddy. All right, close.
I got them shut. I can't see anything. Don't run me into nothing.
I'm not. Don't run me in. Keep them closed. The moment we've been waiting for. I got you. Go ahead. Hop on in there, brother. I got you. Keep them closed.
Okay.
All right, there. You ready?
Yes.
On three. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh. I wasn't expecting this. Oh, you all, this is beautiful. Oh, this is my toilet. Oh, it's got its own little room. It looks so much bigger than I expected it to be. Oh, God, I love it, you all. I love it. I love it. And I'm so glad you did this, Eric. I'm so glad you did that. That's beautiful.
So, let me tell you
my
something
God.
real quick, Miss Teresa. Tomorrow, again, I already told the viewers, we showed them everything. We ran short on
And you
time.
made this?
Yeah, made it from scratch. We ran short on time, so we got to ground around those boxes. They're going to be really pretty wrapped, just like the cased out stuff right here.
Yes, that looks gorgeous.
But short of that, and then the shower doors. So, you know, again, tomorrow you're going to be just even more excited. So let time get by you because you got to see the rest of the floor. You got to see everything out in the dining room.
Oh my gosh, look how big the toilet area is. It's beautiful. I was not expecting this. It's gorgeous. I love it. I love it. And that floor, you all. I love the floor. And it's so pretty.
No more plywood floors, huh?
No.
No more plywood. It's the best stuff on the
So
planet.
much bigger than
Life
I
proof.
thought it would be. And didn't you tell me that my light is going to be in my mirror?
Yes. Now and I'm glad you said that real quick. Because I already told the viewers what's going on. We left your light up just so you could have some light. You're getting that mirror just like I have in my bathroom. We had to special order it though. So it will be in no time. We already have that guy that's going to play all your Bluetooth music. It's going to
So
change
we can dance
about
in the shower.
absolutely. So it's gonna have about 50 different lights, Bluetooth music, and then it's got your basic hyper white light that's just going to reflect. We just ran short of time, and we were trying to get. You know, we know y'all can't stand it. We can't stand it. So.
No, I'm so excited. Thank you so much.
Well, come on, we ain't done.
Beautiful.
Come on in,
Yeah,
check the rest of it.
Check all the floor out,
Floor
baby.
looks gorgeous. It looks much bigger. It looks like this, like this.
We went ahead and took care of the painting.
Yes, I see that.
Yeah, Glenn works hard enough, so we
It would have
wanted
taken
to.
us months to get all this done.
Look, we even painted your kitchen. Go see. We even did you a solid.
Oh my gosh, you all, you did more than paint. Ooh. Can I touch it yet?
You can touch
Oh
it.
my God.
So, Miss Teresa, what you don't know, Glenn switched out the counter, backsplash, and everything in trade for the floor. What you don't know is countertop epoxy messed up and sent us an extra kit for no reason.
This is so beautiful.
So we took that extra kit and we made Glenn all this for nothing.
Oh my God.
Just to give it to you.
I love
Just
it.
because I know your other top was already cracked, it was already damaged, and you ain't had that for a year. So we wanted you to have something really special.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Look at
you
that.
all.
Really cool.
Yeah, it's truly beautiful.
Come here.
I'm sorry, chocolate.
Give me a big hug.
Thank you so much. This is why I've been taking you guys so long.
God, yes. We would have already been done, but we had about 3 days extra work, so we were trying to slide that in so you didn't know any different.
I appreciate it very much.
You're so welcome. You're so
It's
welcome.
absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It is,
Man.
it's beyond Tom.
Man.
Thank you too.
Give me the phone, Tom. Go get you some love, brother. Go get you some love.
I know you've been working hard today. Now I know why y'all are taking so long. This
Tom,
is,
man, appreciate
this
it,
is
man.
gorgeous.
And dude, I wish I had more. I want you to take this as a little bonus for you for your hard work, brother.
This don't even look like
Thank you
my,
so much, sir.
Look
don't
at
even look
that.
like my kitchen.
Thank you so much.
Hey, no problem.
I enjoyed every minute of it.
I love it. It's beautiful. Thank you so very. Not expecting this.
I know, that's what we do though. We love what we do. Teresa, this was awesome. This was definitely like the best video we've ever put out yet. It was so worth the wait. We are so happy that you didn't sneak peek or
I didn't.
any of that. She did not cheat. This was all
It was
sincere,
a horror.
legitimate, everything.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I did not. I can't believe I didn't sneak and peek, but I did.
This is your house too.
Look at that. We even got the little guy over there.
Hey, this is your house too. Hey, Daddy, I don't know where I'm at.
And y'all painted my walls. Good Lord, this is great.
Yeah.
This is just beautiful. I love it.
Don't it?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Hey, as usual, you all, thanks so much for tuning in. We greatly appreciate everything. To all the fans, we hope you enjoyed it. Lord knows they do. Couldn't ask for better people.
You love it?
Yeah, I love it.
That is awesome. Just made our day. Teresa, Glenn, we love you guys. You all are family now. You're family. Till the next one, you all, thanks so much for tuning in. We'll catch you back real soon. Hey, real quick before you go, I almost forgot. Tom went ahead and hooked up the shower head and everything, so let me get you flipped around so you can see it. There it is now. Look at that. Look what Glenn picked out. Big Mac Daddy shower heads, like a car wash. What are you going to be cleaning in there, brother? You all, they are just tickled to death. I told you we were going to get her to cry. I knew we were. So again, y'all, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for everything. We'll see y'all back real soon with the next one. As always, have a great weekend.